Prearranged and paid for. This is what the Department of the Interior and Local Government or DILG claims on those who caused trouble in Manila last Sunday during the mass protest against corruption. According to DILG Secretary Junvic Remulla, 3,000 pesos was allegedly paid to each radicalized juvenile or minor. Apart from joining the riot, the children were allegedly instructed to burn Malacanang. At least 217 individuals are now under investigation. 95 of them are minors. Among the possible charges they may face are arson, destruction of property, and inciting to sedition. Acting PNP Chief Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Naratatis Jr. assured an airtight case against the troublemakers arrested last Sunday amid the protests. PNP investigators are now gathering evidence to be used in filing charges. In addition to those arrested, the PNP is also conducting a deeper investigation to identify the personalities behind the violent actions of the youth.
Hindi lang yung mga kabataan, there's someone or there's something behind it na mas malaki. So continuous po yung investigasyon natin. Eventually, kung maipon naman na po namin ang mga ebidensya na kailangan, we will file appropriate charges.
The PNP, however, denied allegations that a police officer beat up a minor inside an establishment in Manila.
Nakita nyo yung mga pag-aresto doon na habulan. Ang hinahabol doon yung mga nagbabato po ng mga molotov. So we have to stop them, we have to arrest them. Kasi yung pag sumabog doon, may mga kahalo kasing sharpnel, may nilagay silang mga ibubog eh. So we have to stop them. We have to run after them.
In the riot that took place, the PNP claimed that extreme maximum tolerance was implemented, as proven by the fact that some of the injured police officers are still confined and convalescing in hospitals.
Kasi the moment na tayo naging aggressive, may iba kasi yung optics, may iba yung sasabihin ng mga kababayan natin. At the end of the day, pare-parehas tayong Pilipino, tapos ayaw namin na yung pulis mismo yung nanakit.
Yesterday, Remulla visited the injured police officers in the hospital. Ryan Lisiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.